Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up two track builder system sets that are very important in building an epic Hot Wheels track. So the first set we have here looks very cool. This is the custom turn kicker to build your stunt world. It's got a new piece here and two track pieces. It's also a new set for 2018. It kicks your car around any angle, which I'm very excited to test out. Now let's take a look at the back of the box here. It looks like our car is going into the curve and will shoot out with some high-speed action. We also have 4 different angles here, and hopefully you learned about those in your math class like I did. And on the side here, we have some other Hot Wheels playsets that look just as fun. I think it's time we open this one up and take a look at the parts inside the box. So here we have everything that came inside the box. We have the custom turn kicker and 2 orange track pieces as well. And don't forget D-Muscle, the very cool blue car that was inside the package. Alright, so I've attached the 2 orange track pieces, and this set's very neat because it's very simple to use. All you have to do is pull this back and lock it into place. This is where your car is going to hit, and it'll shoot it through the curve. So let's bring out D-Muscle. This is the car that came with the set, and all it takes is a little push and this car will fly. But let me tell you, that's not even the best part about this set. I'm a really big fan of this one because you can extend it to a bigger angle that really gives your car a much better shot around the corner. Once again, this set is very easy to use. All you have to do is pull the kicker back until it locks into place. Now it's ready to shoot, so let's take our blue D-Muscle and see what he can do. Overall, this is one of my favorite track builder system sets because it's very effective and also easy to use. It gets your car around the corner very quick, which is all you need. Our second Hot Wheels track builder system play set for today is the loop launcher, which comes with a loop, some track, and some connectors. I've used the loop launcher before, and I love the car kicker because it almost always puts your car through the loop, unlike the battery powered booster, which sometimes gives your car a little too much speed. So let's open up this box and assemble our loop launcher. Here we have all of the track builder system parts from the loop launcher and our super cool car muscle tone. I've got the loop launcher assembled and ready to go, and it's very easy to use, just like the custom turn kicker. You bring this down till it locks into place and it's ready for action. The car that came with the set is muscle tone, so let's see how it does. It's safe to say these new track builder system sets make for an epic good time with your Hot Wheels cars. I'm going to be building more tracks with these in the future, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more track builder stuff on my channel, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.